Guys, welcome you all. I am Porselvan. In this video, I will be telling you about the huge interview process carried out by the top product-based companies and the tips to crack them. First of all, you need to go through two steps in order to get into these companies. The first step is getting call from these companies, which seems to be difficult for most of the students and professionals. And the second step consists of logical thinking, technical interviews, checking your problem-solving skills, and etc. Let me explain it deeper on my next video so that this video will be shorter. I am sure that at the end of this video, you will be clear about the interview process gone through by these companies. Make sure whether you have subscribed so that you may not miss any of the useful content like this, and share with your friends who needs it. Now let's move on to the video. First step, getting call from product-based companies. As I said earlier, this is considered as one of the difficult steps for students and the professionals. To overcome this difficulty, I will be telling you some tips to get call from these companies. Before the tip, I have to tell one thing. Students of prestigious institutions like IIT's and NIT'S have a certain advantage in this first step because those companies visit top colleges for recruitment, and the reason why they prefer IIT's and NIT'S is because of the certain budget the company have. This budget includes traveling cost, recruitment cost, and other expenses. So if you are from those top colleges, you will not find any difficulties in the first step. If you are studying in any of the private colleges, then you have to put some extra effort to get call from these companies. But don't get disappointed. Follow the tips I am going to tell and approach the companies in a right way so that you can get the interview calls. Now the tips. Make your resume the best. Resume plays a crucial role in getting calls. You have to keep your resume short and crisp because recruiters spend 10 to 15 seconds on your resume, and you have to answer the question why should they hire you in the time they scan your resume. So each and every line is important. And second step is make use of LinkedIn. Start using LinkedIn. You have to make connection with the recruiters and find some referral because chances are higher for interview calls if you get some referral from the respected companies. And build your LinkedIn profile so that you may get calls from the top companies. And here comes the third step, participate in hackathons. You can even gain experience in coding by participating in hackathons. Some of the good websites to improve your skills are CodeChef, HackerRank, Geeks for Geeks, LeetCode, InterviewBit, Career Cup, HackerEarth, and much more. Next step and very most important step is make projects. Projects are very important for you to improve your skills, and also it shows to the recruiters that you are more passionate about coding. Projects can be anything like Android app, iOS app, video game, or web applications and more. Fifth step is GSOC, Google Summer of Code. This is the finest way to get into the top product-based companies. Find a mentor working on some projects for a long time and ask him to guide you. You and your mentor can prepare a proposal together and send it to GSOC. If GSOC approves it, you will be getting a certificate which is really valuable, and it proves that you are a good programmer. It makes your resume stronger, and the main thing here is Google opens up their door for the candidates who have GSOC certificate. So a single certificate makes your dream come true. And here comes the last step to get calls from the companies, your GATE score. If you have a good score in your GATE, then mention it in your resume because it shows that you have a good command on core computer science subjects. I hope I would have made it clear for you guys to get interview calls from the product-based companies. In my next video, I will be guiding you to crack the technical round, HR round, and much more. Please leave a like and share this content with your friends who are trying to get into product-based companies, and consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. And see you all on another video. Thank you.